get that speed by diving down, and some of them fly vertically. So, let's find out who are the fastest birds to fly across the sky. Chicken, 14 kilometers per hour. Peacock, 16 kilometers per hour. Gentoo penguin, 36 kilometers per hour. Goose, 48 kilometers per hour. Pelican, 48 kilometers per hour. Swan, 48 kilometers per hour. Emu, 50 kilometers per hour. Crow, 51.4 kilometers per hour. Indian cormorant, 54 kilometers per hour. Macaw, 56 kilometers per hour. Greater Rhea, 56.3 kilometers per hour. Flamingo, 60 kilometers per hour. Owl, 64 kilometers per hour. White cockatoo, 70 kilometers per hour. Anna's hummingbird, 70 kilometers per hour. Ostrich, 72.4 kilometers per hour. Duck, 80 kilometers per hour. Eurasian teal, 97 kilometers per hour. Common swift, 111 kilometers per hour. Canvasback, 117.5 kilometers per hour. Red-breasted merganser, 130.3 kilometers per hour. Spur-winged goose, 141.6 kilometers per hour. Rock dove, 150 kilometers per hour. Frigate bird, 152.8 kilometers per hour. Bald eagle, 160 kilometers per hour. Eurasian hobby, 160.9 kilometers per hour. White-throated needletail, 169 kilometers per hour. Gray-headed albatross, 183.4 kilometers per hour. Red-tailed hawk, 193 kilometers per hour. Gerfalcon, 209 kilometers per hour. Golden eagle, 321 kilometers per hour. Saker falcon, 321.8 kilometers per hour. Peregrine falcon, 389 kilometers per hour.